Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix crashing and freezing on OBS Studio. So if you're also having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So as you can see, I'm actually right now recording on my OBS Studio right here, and it hasn't actually crashed after this one thing that I'm going to show you that I did. So basically, I mean, this is going to sound maybe pretty easy, but these two things actually made it work for me. So what I did is that I firstly hover over OBS Studio right here, and then I right clicked. And then I actually clicked on run as administrator right here. So then when I opened OBS, and you should be able to see OBS now when you click on run as administrator, maybe you even have to confirm by clicking yes that you want to be able to do that. So just click on yes. And then what I did after that is that I clicked on control, then I clicked on shift and then escape. So control shift escape. Then I clicked on details right here, as you can see. I then scrolled down in here until I found OBS, this one right here, as you can see, and then I right clicked. And then I clicked on set priority and then to high. You're going to set it to high. So it should be high now. Yeah, perfect. So I did this, by the way, and then I started to record afterwards. So I don't think that that is the most important thing to set it to high. I think the most important is actually the run as administrator. But do these two things because I actually did this. And so far, I haven't had any lag. You can see, maybe if you're watching this video, of course, you can see that it probably isn't lagging. Or maybe a little bit, I don't know. But I haven't had any lag and freeze really when I have checked so far, at least after I've done these two things. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.